Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can allocate credit note that has been issued by supplier to a particular bill on Clearbooks. So to allocate credit notes to supplier invoices, we need to go to Purchases section and click on Credit Notes. Here, any unallocated credit notes will have a balances provided here. So I want to allocate this credit note to an Beats Limited invoice. To allocate this credit note, 1534, I need to scroll till very bottom of this credit note, and there is all available invoices from Beats Limited recorded on my Clearbooks accounting software. And there is one exact match to which I want to allocate this credit note. Click on Apply, and credit has been applied to this particular bill. So if I click on Credit Notes, I can see that 1534 been allocated now. And if I go to Bill section, make sure that you click on Paid section, and you can see that Beats has been marked as a paid. If I click on the supplier invoice and scroll till bottom, in payment history I can see that this invoice has been marked by a payment as a credit note. So in this episode I showed you how you can allocate credit note issued by supplier to a particular bill on Clearbooks. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my Clearbooks tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.